Morning. So we just woke up. We're probably gonna get something to eat and
Then
then
go to the beach.
hit the beach. All right. So we'll see you. Tank, where are we going today?
I'm not paying over different clothes.
Oh, where are we going today?
The beach.
Say hi to
Em.
everyone. Say hi to everyone.
You wear white.
Was that saying?
Yeah.
All right. So we're just waiting. We're just waiting in the lobby.
What? You jacked my spot.
We're just waiting in the lobby until we figure something out.
No eyes on me.
So we just got Pokeballs. Now we're looking for my parents because they're supposed to. Why are you drinking Coke? We're at Del Sandwich right now. Everyone's just chilling.
Coffee blackberry. I don't know. I need more like sugar.
How's the cafe soda?
It's okay.
That tastes like hazelnut.
What's better is diet.
Tank, say hi.
Coke. Half sugar.
Yep, so we're just hanging out here and then gonna hit the beach after.
It's a lonely night. Everybody's happy. Been turning around, looking for a friendly light, but I see nothing. No eyes. No eyes. No eyes on me.
Alright, we're just chilling here waiting to get to the beach.
되게 뭔가 없네. 얘기해.
Look, Durian.
That's the job.
What do you ask me? It's like the same size as mine.
Yeah, so we're just trying to get to the beach and we'll film there.
Does it feel good?
How's that feel?
Oh yeah.
Kick.
Are you relaxed? Stay relaxed.
Yeah.
Close your eyes.
It's a lonely night. Everybody's happy. Been turning around, looking for a friendly light, but I see nothing. No eyes. No eyes on me.
Just found parking with my dad. Now we're walking to meet up with the rest of the family. Alright. Let me see them now.
So many maybes, so many ways, so many ladies, so many men, so many maybes, so many ways.
Finally made it to the beach. Hey! We don't know if my dad's park's free, but
Beach
we'll
day.
find out later, right, Tom? Oh, sorry. Guys,
Hi.
ladies. Not you.
Everybody's happy. Been turning around, looking for a friendly light, but I see nothing. No eyes. No eyes. No eyes on me. No eyes.
So we just finished Aiden's dad. This guy was garbage.
I think we won.
And now we're gonna go back and shower and find somewhere to eat.
Everybody's happy. Been turning around, looking for a friendly light, but I see nothing. No eyes, no eyes on me. So many maybes, so many ways, so many ladies, so many men, so many maybes, so many ways.
Just walk into the car. We just finished showering. I just went to the hot tub with Matt so we could wash off the sand, but finished showering. Now we're gonna go find somewhere to eat. You hungry?
Yeah.
I'm super hungry. Okay, we're about to.
It's a lonely night. Everybody's happy. Been turning around.
So we just got crawfish.
Again, and now we're going to the restaurant to get some dinner. We're starving, but the crawfish is gonna be for tonight.
Hi, YouTube.
It's a lonely night. Everybody's happy. Been turning around, looking for a friendly light.
We're waiting outside Elkin Low, waiting to get hot pot, but there's a huge line. Some of us went to get pizza, and the rest of us are just waiting out here.
No eyes on me.
So we finally got into the restaurant.
Yeah, kurang na. You redo that.
So many maybes, so many ways, so many ladies, so many men, so many maybes, so many ways, so many ladies, so many men. It's a lonely night.
Hey, it's Tank.
I'm not paying.
We just finished eating,
I got pizza.
and I just had some hot pot and some crazy seafood in there. It's pretty good. Pretty full now, but we still got
A lot of stuff to do.
crawfish. Yeah, and we got crawfish to eat later too.
And clam.
Yeah, and clams.
Yeah.
And it's like almost midnight, so we're just gonna live crazy and enjoy this trip. What's your hair? Where's your swirl?
What does that mean?
Right here.
What does that swirl mean?
Where did Green go?
All right, we're about to eat some crawfish from Boiling Crab. We bought to go.
Watch. Oh look, there's like a little pocket down here. Look,
What's that
Josh.
right there?
film this.
What's
Cool.
that down there?
Peter.
Okay, should we just take it out and start?
What's up, man?
Oh,
What's up, Mike? You sleepy?
make a garbage bag.
So we just finished that Boiling Crab crawfish. Man, I'm full. How was the crawfish?
It was so good. We had it too. I was too full
How
to
was the
eat.
crawfish? Not you.
It was awesome.
Oh, what were you saying? What were you saying?
No, get out here.
You're too full to eat.
Yeah,
How was dinner though?
because I'm not fat.
How was dinner though?
Oh, it was so good. Smells was so good.
I know, right?
How was dinner?
It was okay. I had pizza.
No McDonald's?
No, I didn't want any. I was full.
All right.
So many maybes, so many ways, so many ladies, so many men, so many maybes, so many ways, so many It's a lonely night. Everybody's happy. Been turning around, looking for.
Okay, so we're on our way back to the hotel room. We were outside for like 2 or 3 hours eating crawfish, hanging out with the cousins, the family. And now we're just gonna chill out in my room with Nancy, Tayden, Caitlin, and Chantel. So yeah.
No,
I'm about to go to sleep now. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope everyone else had a great day too.